Welcome to 22 West Lincoln Avenue in Delaware, Ohio. This historic Italian brick home was built in 1868 for the Curran family. Since then, only 3 other families have called it home. The new owners will become the 5th family to steward this lovely piece of Delaware history. Captain Joseph F. Curran was a decorated Civil War veteran who lost his right arm in combat. When he returned home from the war, he lived the rest of his life at 22 West Lincoln with his wife, Mary Allison Gavitt. Joseph, Mary, and several of their children are buried at Oak Grove on South Sandusky Street in Delaware. And remarkably, the extended Curran family and their descendants occupied 22 West Lincoln until 1978. Subsequent owners have modernized the home, while keeping its historic character. The dining room, kitchen, and upstairs shared bath were added to the original house. The summer kitchen, initially a separate building, was connected to the house and eventually converted into a library. The upstairs primary suite, featuring an ensuite bath, was added in the 1990s, as was the full downstairs bath. 2 gas fireplace inserts and a gas stove were added in the mid-2000s. The upstairs hallway linen closet was rebuilt in the late 2000s to incorporate antique glass doors from another historic Delaware home. The garage was entirely rebuilt in the early 2000s, and lofted storage was added. To view this gorgeous property, contact Ryan Reynolds at Keller Williams Consultants Realty at 614-726-6971. Thank you for viewing this home and for enjoying our history.